Beloved people of South Africa, this is Mandisa Mthembu. Firstly, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you, the good people of South Africa, for your support and gratitude. It's not easy to live in this system that suppresses and deprives people of their rights. I thank you so much for your support. I know that my case is not isolated, and I know that there are still good people out there with good intentions who love to see other people prospering. Thank you. You really are South Africans with a South African spirit of Ubuntu. What I want to share with you is my inbox ever since I posted about how I was arrested. My inbox has been flooding with messages from people with similar cases, people who have been duped by government institutions and municipalities. I'm talking about people from Northwest. I have someone from Northwest, someone from Western Cape, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, and Bloemfontein. This thing is real. If the government or the people who claim to represent us are not serving the purpose that they were put in that place for in the first place, they must be removed. We must do a referendum. Hospitals do not work. Schools do not work. Police stations, police do not serve and protect the people of South Africa. The law is failing. Justice system is failing. Nothing is working in South Africa. There are no jobs. There are people who are suffering. Like most of us are suffering in silence. We must break the silence. It's time for us to break the silence. It's time to break the silence. Don't care about the people who are mocking you. They are trying because they are mocking you because they are benefiting from the corrupt system. Let's just accept that we don't have a government in South Africa. All this BE, it doesn't serve us. All these policies, they don't serve us. Bella doesn't serve us. It puts and prioritizes the children of foreigners before us. South Africa is a plundered state. It's a plundered project. We are orphans. We don't have laws that protect us. So when we start to speak, we must speak. I know there are people who are doing a referendum. Who are busy with the referendum to question authority and constitution. We must speak. Use what you have to speak against this evil government. A system fails when a collective voice of the people rejects it. This is what I wanted to say. Thank you.